In this video, we will complete level 2.4 of MTM 2020. This challenge is called USS1, Unix System Services 1. This is worth 50 points. So click on here. Here is the PDF we need to download. Click on it. Then open this PDF. It has 12 steps. Let's now complete all these steps one by one. Let's complete step 1, which is to open a terminal. Go to your VS Code, go to terminal and click on new terminal. And it will open a new window like this. Next we have to connect using SSH. We have to give this command SSH, user ID and the IP address. So let's copy this, paste it here. Let's give my user ID. Press enter. Then it will ask for my password. Give my password. Press enter. And you can see I have now logged in to this Unix environment. So step 2 and 3 are now complete. In step 3 it is telling us that you may see a verify message. If you see a verify message, then just give yes. I did not get it because I have logged in before as well. That's why I did not get any such message. Then you have to give a command pwd. Give here pwd, which means present working directory. The current directory is this one. This is the root directory Z, and under the Z directory I have my own directory which is named under my user ID. This is also called as home directory. So in step 5 we have to change directory. Let's give here command cd public, and you can see it has now changed to the public directory. So cd command, which stands for change directory, can change the directory you are working on. I can also give present working directory to see this. You can see my present working directory is z public. To see all the files, I can give the command ls. So give here ls. And you can see all these files are here in the public directory. Here we can see copy.sh. To run this, give here /copy.sh. Press enter. And you will see this script was successfully run. Copying USS files and directory success. To go back to your home directory, just give cd and this symbol called tilde. So once you give cd tilde, it will come back to your home directory, which is your user ID. We can verify it by giving pwd. Now what we can do is, I can list all the files which are now here. So give here ls. So we will see now these files are available in my home directory. Then in the 10th step we have to make a directory by giving the make directory command. The directory name should be my stuff. Then we can give ls, and you will see a new directory my stuff is now available. Then in the 11th step we have to create a file called file1. We can create it by using touch command. So give here touch file1. Then give ls to list all the files, and you will see file1 has now been created. Now in the final step, that is step 12, what we have to do is we have to go to our home directory. So our home directory is our user ID. We are currently in home directory. Then we have to create two more directory, USS1 places, USS1 foods. So let's create this make directory USS1 places. Let's create make directory USS1 foods. Let's list it. You can see USS1 foods, USS1 places. put 3 files in USS1 places named after favorite places. So go to change directory USS1 places. Present working directory is USS1 places. Create 3 files based on favorite places. Let's give India, then let's give Delhi, let's give Chandigarh, touch Chandigarh. Let's list. So you have 3 places: Delhi, India, Chandigarh. Then let's change directory. Give here cd double dash cd double dot, and it will go back to the previous directory. Then again change directory to USS1 foods, USS1 foods, then give touch and give 3 files after your favorite food. So you can give here pizza, ice cream, and then you can list it. This is cold drink, ice cream, pizza. Then what you have to do is go to public.jcl and then click the chk job. This is public.jcl. Then submit the chk job. Job submitted. Go to jobs and here check chk 2371. Check the latest chk job. This is the previous one. You can verify it by the number. This is 2301 and this is 2371. So this is the higher number. So this is the latest chk job. Expand it. Go to system print. And here check for USS1. So this is USS1 and it is now showing correct. So this challenge was also successfully completed. Congratulations, you have advanced to a new level. You are now level 2. Go to the completed tab and you will see USS1 is here. It is in the completed tab. So 2.4 challenge is complete. Let's now complete level 2.5. which is PDS2. If you like my videos, then you can support me by buying my mainframe course. After buying this course, you will get 19 hours of mainframe training. This course will teach you COBOL, JCL, vSAM, TSO, ISPF, Unix System Services and CICS. You can watch the free preview before buying my course. Make sure you buy the course using the referral link in the description.